This program actually was suggested by my supervisor. He was able to locate it, and it was asked if I wanted to participate in it. My name is Neosha Ellis. I'm from currently living in the Killeen, Texas area. I'm originally from Louisiana. I have over 15 plus years of experience. My current company that I work with is the federal government, and we are tasked to handle various projects for our director, to including taking manual reports and pushing them to Power BI. The reason for taking this course was to get more exposure and actually more hands-on experience. A lot of my experience and knowledge come from self-taught. So I really wanted to make sure that I was on the right path and got a better understanding and grasping what I was doing, what I need to do to accomplish my goal in the end. Mentor sessions were very, very helpful. Allow me to be quiet if I wanted to be, but also raise my hand if I had questions. And my suggestion would be to stay on task. It is a great course. I really enjoyed it. It definitely can be overwhelming if you're not prioritizing your work. And also being able to have your program manager available to assist you as well, encourage you, motivate you. That would be my favorite part, to knowing that you, even though it's an online course, you are still able to get assistance. The impact of the program for me really opened my eyes to expand my SQL knowledge. I learned a lot of knowledge that I didn't know before. It also helped me to prepare myself in my current role to be able to write my SQL queries more efficiently and to be able to prepare that coding to be pushed to my Power BIs so that I can provide those automatic reports for my leadership. It allowed me to analyze the data a little bit more, to where I'm able to I know how to transpose the data a lot better. I know how to manipulate the data. Give yourself some grace. Don't beat yourself up too bad. Give it your all. Make sure you prioritize your time. You're going to learn so much. It's going to be a great experience. It's going to seem overwhelming at first. And once you start actually doing those hands-on exercises and practicing with the quizzes and participating in the live mentor session, you're going to be successful. Don't be afraid to ask for help. This program actually was suggested by my supervisor. He was able to locate it, and it was asked if I wanted to participate in it. And after reviewing that it was online and reviewing the syllabus and what was required, it caught my interest. And also to be able to get the knowledge, experience, the certification to prepare you, it was just a no-brainer. It was just like, this is great. This is what I need to advance in my current knowledge and skills. This is what I need to be able to provide more accurate data and to our leadership. And there was no way I could say no.